Good morning, welcome to the homestead. I'm going to make a Dutch baby pancake for breakfast. Follow along, let's get cooking. Okay, so this is going to be Dutch baby for two. So here is a bread pan. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of butter on that one, and then 2 tablespoons of butter on this one. I'm going to put in the oven and let them melt while I'm making the batter. Okay, so to the blender, I'm going to add a half a cup of milk. We're going to add 3 eggs. Teaspoon of homemade vanilla. Half a teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of sugar. And a half a cup of flour. And then now we're going to blend. These are very hot, so do not touch them. I'm going to do a cup into each container here. All right, get these back in the oven. We're going to start with 20 minutes and then we'll check them. This should be nice, golden, and puffy. Dutch baby for two. Yum! And these took about 17 minutes to cook in the smaller pans. Dutch baby for two. They're hot. So good. That was delicious. It's tender. Almost looks like French toast. So you should give it a try. It's so good. You could top this off with powdered sugar, or you could make a fruit compote. It's very delicious. And anything you add to it is just going to make it better. Thank you for watching. Thank you for spending your time with me. Until next time, God bless. Okie dokie.
Okay, we got this new cool little drone. Came in this little case right here. And here's the controller. And it comes with an extra battery. The little drone folds up and it fits right in this little spot here. And just got the website downloaded, or the whatever you want to call it.
The app.
The app, that's what they're called. And turn the power on, and it says right here, takeoff landing, emergency landing, long press. So takeoff landing, hit that. Let's see, now, I don't know how we can pull it.
Sounds like a swarm of bees.
Up. Wow. Wow. Look at it adjusting for the wind up there. The wind's hitting it and it's adjusting itself, keeping itself flat. Let's see. Here, watch this. Oh, it won't do the 360 foot press. Okay, so. Whoa! You see that?
No.
Watch.
I'm being blinded by the sun. Don't do it behind me.
Okay, ready? I don't know what I did.
Do you have to straighten out the blades?
Yeah, let's start this also. I think my phone has to be close.
The drone is in the tree.
Okay. So you're going to have to do the download on yours. There you are. Oh, what's
Oh, we're chasing the drone. Can't get it to come back. It is windy today. Shame on us. Oh my God.